All right, it's that time. He has arrived. Let's go check him out over here. Hasn't been on the channel in a while. Oh, and he even came with a new truck. Look at that. Man, you know you're doing good when you pull up in a new truck. Yeah, you pulled up in the Duramax last time.
Last time, yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna give you an option here. You got two options. I know you had the forklift come out outside and everything. It's a little hot out here. So if you want to pull the wheels off, well, you can work in the air condition, come out here and press them, or you want me to pull the forklift out?
No, we'll do the same thing.
You want to do the same thing? Pull out? Okay. Yeah. You want me to move this trailer?
Yeah, if you can.
Okay, no problem. You got it. Okay, guys, so he's just going to turn around. He's going to do the same thing he did last time. So we'll see. Curious to know. Let's see what this old gasser can do over here. I'm not really sure how much his trailer weighs, but it does just look heavy. I mean, just that press that's in there, I can only imagine how much that thing weighs. Shit, look at that. Did better than that two-wheel drive Ram. Like nothing. All right, guys, now we got to give them all forky. I'll show you the new mutters that we're putting on this thing. Did you see this one yet?
No, this was nice.
This is the new one.
What happened to the other one?
I got rid of it. It was too old.
Oh.
Too old. Yeah, it just didn't have all the nice technology. It was ugly looking.
Yeah, when I got the picture, I'm like, this was nice.
Yeah. I was like, I got to get me a new one. They just did the rears, but these fronts are
This is the back.
gone.
600 by 9 yet.
I don't know.
This is a solid deal.
Yeah, I believe they're all solid, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I'll take care of it.
Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna pull it out for them. I know a lot of you guys are gonna love this. Put my floor mat down right here, so I don't get, you know, for my shoes. There we go. So we don't get the floor all dirty here. Oh, I know. Go ahead, guys. Start commenting. I love it. There we go. See that? Stays nice and clean. All right. Pull that emergency brake right there. Put it in reverse. Lift this up a little bit. Good to go. It's amazing, guys, how smooth. I mean, forklift guys out there, man, when you get into a Toyota and you've driven like something else, it's incredible how smooth this Toyota is. All right, we got the forklift set up for him. Now let's check out the, I'll show you guys the new shoes.
Baby Hikester.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's for me?
That's for you.
Thanks, man. Oh, look at those. Even the forks automatic. Where the hell do you even get this from? This is badass.
I got it from Heister, the dealer.
No way.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Hell, you guys know me and forklifts. I'm addicted to these things. Like,
that's why I got it.
Yeah, out of all my equipment, I gotta say, you're probably thinking I'm crazy, but some of you guys probably don't realize, like, I don't know if it's just the power, but I mean, I literally don't use a jack no more. Like, if I gotta lift something, or I probably told you guys, do you do a tire rotation or anything? I just tell them, hold on, I gotta get the forklift, because I mean, even on my truck, tire rotation on the truck, I lift one side, it's done. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys
the Toyo's MTs.
MT, right? Yeah, we got the MTs on this bad boys. Yeah, 30, what would you, 37, 13, 50, 20?
Yeah.
All right.
Those are the new ones.
Ooh, holy crap, those are the new ones?
Yeah.
You sure? They look like way bigger.
Yes, 700 by 12.
Holy crap. Can we pull one of those out, put it side by side? Oh my goodness, guys, this looks
Yeah, this is me. Let me open the trailer.
damn. That looks massive, dude.
Wait, because remember the last time I came, we were like, well, I saw some tires on the right side, like kind of like monthly tires.
Yeah.
So it's these right there. Well, these right here.
Wow. All right, those look massive, guys.
Open
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry about that.
So now, how would those things, like, you think it would work if I go like in my little like rock area that I got over there and stuff?
I think so, yeah. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
We'll check it out after.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as it's not too soft.
No, it's not soft. Yeah, it's really hard. It's just, you know, it's just, that's why I wanted a forklift with like the bigger tires and the tread, not like the warehouse one.
Yeah.
Because I'm not in a warehouse, you know, I'm out here mainly. And holy shit.
The good thing you got this one right here.
Yeah, damn, that's just solid.
I stepped on it. Oops.
It's okay. Wow. Damn, guys.
I can see the difference already.
Yeah, that's insane. So, I mean, these got to be original, I would assume.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Holy crap. Oh my god, damn. So, wow, look at that. So this, oh my, I mean, I guess, yeah, they're the same size. Holy.
Yeah, I'll fit.
Wow.
Same sizes, yeah.
That's insane, guys. So I thought like these weren't really worn down that much, but after seeing that.
Well, usually you have up to like this line right here. It's a safety line.
Oh, that's okay. So they have a safety line.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I want some tread. I want some mutters.
Some train.
Yeah, yeah, I need some toy. I need some MTs. All right, well, stay tuned, guys. I feel like, guys, I need to make like a bracket or something and just like put this like up here, or like, what do you guys think? Or like put it up here or something, or I might just put it in the garage. We might have to repaint it yellow and gray. Is this thing? Or orange and gray. Okay, guys. So I guess how he's gonna jack this up is he wants me to start it and
just tilt the mast back.
Tilt the mast.
Yeah.
Okay. So lift this up. Tilt all the way back.
Yeah.
All right. I guess it's a trick though. He's saying, we don't have to jack it up. Let's see what he does.
Really, huh?
I didn't feel nothing. No, I didn't think it was doing anything. All right, let's go check it out, guys. You want me to turn it off? Done?
No, you're done.
Okay. All right, let's go check this thing out. I noticed when this guy comes here, he don't work too hard. You know, he's got it down perfect to where, you know, he doesn't have to do anything. Look at that. Shee. That's awesome. Okay, well, there you go, guys. If you want to lift the front, just like that.
And that's it.
Now, I assume that don't work for the back.
The back, you got to do it with the jack.
You got to work for it, okay. No problem. Using the Milwaukee. Damn, there is a ton of adapters. All right, ton of adapters that he's got to like use just to pull the ring off, to switch the tire, take the tire off, put the new tire on. I guess this one's a lot harder than the older Forklift that I had. Here's the new M2 going on, guys. Didn't make no noise or nothing. And now he's got to switch all the adapters again just to put those rings back on. Also, now that I know how easy it is to jack this thing up, we're gonna have to pull in the garage. We're gonna have to pull all these bolts off right here because we got a busted stud. Not sure what happened there, but we got to pull this off so we can pull this out. And then back here, I pulled up a schematic. It looks like there's just another nut right on the backside here. And we're going to unbolt that, and these just slide in. You bolt it on the backside, and then we'll have our stud back in it. All right, guys. One is done. Oh, look at that. Looks good. Damn, look at that thing. That's a big boy right there. Dude, I still don't even see how that's going to fit. That looks massive.
Will fit.
It's crazy. Damn. Look at those things. What in the... That's incredible. So do you think that those were original tires?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
there you go, guys. So you can get 10,000 miles or 10,000 hours. Yeah, not much. This thing, I don't know if I told you, it's got like, that's why I got such a good deal on it. Because it's got, I think, like 9,400 hours.
Oh, that's it?
Well, that's everybody says that's it, but I thought that was a lot. And people are saying, oh, no, for a Toyota, that's nothing.
Yeah.
Because I found a ton, and I was like, no, I don't want any with, like, you know, more than, you know, 3,000-4,000 hours. But it was like, dude, 9,400 on Toyota's not. One guy's like, I got a Toyota with, like, 18,000 hours. I'm like, what? So
yeah, 9,000. It's not too bad.
That's crazy. This guy really like coming right now. All right. I guess I don't. They were supposed to come last week, but I guess you know everybody's on time. Let me come on in here, partner. Let's figure out what the hell you're trying to do. Over here, guys. When you live in the woods, you know you live off propane. We don't have no. We don't got nothing else here. Look at that, guys. And that's part of Mondo's service. Checking all of them for you. So out here in the boonies, guys, we don't got no natural gas. We gotta get some propane out here. Well, because if you want to live out here, that's what you got to deal with right there. All right, guys, we got the trailer all loaded up. Got the weight set evenly right there. So we're ready for Nick Genesis Detailing. If you want to bring your Ford, I've loaded the trailer up for you. So we're ready to go.
That's tight.
Backward? Yeah. That is insane, guys. I mean, look at that. This thing looks like a whole, doesn't even, I mean, wow. It's crazy how much bigger. I didn't realize how massive that tire. When he was getting the tire, I was like, man, there's no way that looks like it's gonna even fit. But I guess, I mean, shit, that's awesome. This fits perfect. And it looks so much better than those slicks. It's nice having, you know, both MTs on the Forky over here. Well, guys, here's one reason why I need a forklift. We're gonna rearrange some stuff because the next project is that scissor lift over there. I'll show you guys, but this fuel tank right here is in the way, so we gotta tilt this a little bit. Bam. Okay. Down. These long forks make it nice too. Memory almost at the end, so we can just grab that bad boy like that. Oh, look at that. Tilt back a little bit. Lift it up. Bada bing, bada boom. Put it in reverse. Get this thing out the way. So here's old Scissor right here. We can call her Scissors. Turn those wheels. There you go. So believe it or not, this thing is a 2015. Only has like, I think 91 hours on it. I don't know how the heck it gets this destroyed. Again, though, you know, I'm not using it for construction or anything like that. So this is going to be the next project. We're going to sand it, strip this thing down, make it look nice, you know, brand new again. Get new stickers for it. We're going to pull her in the garage here, and then we'll pull it over on the side and start sanding and get to painting. I will say this scissor lift, man, makes everything nice. Like when I gotta change the filters on the ACs, oh, it's get on this bad boy and it extends, whoosh, and you're good to go. Bam! Look at that, guys. Look at that. Now that's what I'm talking about. Man, I love some fresh mud terrains on that. Look, let me turn the light on for you. Pow! Look at that. Bam! That's what I'm talking about right there. And I like how I got some more room right there with the mast. Just if I do gotta, you know, do a little froden with her, she's ready. But now we're actually going to head to Toyota Forklift right now and go pick up some parts, and I will show you what part I get or what part I got and why I got it. So guys, I'm pulling up to Toyota to get some parts. I see this thing parked here. All right, wait a minute. This thing looks familiar, especially that work for it logo right there. Let me walk in. We found this guy buying parts.
No, sales manager, Toyota Forklift Incorporated, parts, something.
And he's...
I'm in the Toyota Forklift Owners Club now, so you know, we're gonna see each other here a lot. We're VIP members.
Yeah, you know, we're buying more parts. I got filters and oil in stock too.
AKA we're overpaying for stuff here right now.
Yes, yeah. We're overpaying big time, but yeah. You know, so stay tuned, guys. You're gonna see he's Ryan's hooking his stuff up. I can't tell you what he bought, but stay tuned. And if there's any forklift guys out here that know what some of this stuff means on the screen, like there's a ton of options that I found. You know, it says like IO, live, speed, like there's a ton. Anybody out there know what all that stuff means? DM me at Eddie's Life. I'm very curious to know what, I mean, I hear you can do a lot of stuff with this thing, but you know, I don't know, let me know. And before you guys tell me, Eddie, you don't have the sticker kit, man, I just ordered the whole shebang. Look at this, I got the Yoda for the back. I got my sign. So if you get ran over, I already notified you that there will be forklift traffic coming through. And then I don't know what all they send in this thing. Oh, look at that. Looks like we got a ton of stuff. Anything else in there? Yeah. Hello. Anything else? No, nothing else in here. Okay, so it looks like we got that. I don't need to teach me how to put a sticker on. We got, oh, a little America. Oh, upside down. There we go. Put those bad boys on. I guess just letting you know, don't smash your finger. The forklift will lean forward till back. Wow. Okay. And we got some numbers. So we got them for that. And we got them for this bad boy right there. Bam! It's gonna say Yoda. Should we just not even put the toy? Just put the Yoda on there? Also, guys, if you're wondering what this is, so I had a little issue with this thing. And I noticed when it would warm up, I'll show you guys. When this thing would warm up, it would have like a hard start on it. And I did a little research, and everybody was telling me, well, you can adjust this part right here. You know, adjust this how you want it. So I did, and it ran a little better, but still had the hard start. So then our boys, Robert at Toyota, told me, well, check this. I guess propane is very dirty. It gets gummed up. You got a lot of just nasty stuff gets built up in it. So he said, take it apart, clean it. I did. It helped dramatically. But then I was thinking, well, how about what's in this thing, you know, right here? And he goes, dude, I bet you it is probably filthy and disgusting. So I put a brand new one on. He says they have a rebuild kit, but I've chosen to put a brand new one, and what a difference it's made in starting and just the vibration, getting rid of the vibration. I mean, it's crazy. Here's the old one right here. So this is the cover right here, and I have not cleaned it yet. Check this out. Look at this, guys. So this is the gasket. Just look at all this grime on it, right? Check this. Oh my goodness, the smell. Whew. Look at this. Check it out. Check it out. This is the old one, and it's still good. I'm gonna save it. I'm actually going to get a rebuild kit and just save it. Look at all that. Look at that. That's just all some nasty stuff right there. Look at this. So this is the whole, like the float, I guess, where you can drain it. And I was like, yeah, nothing's draining. He's like, yeah, it's probably gummed up. Look at all that. I mean, it's like waxy. Like, I don't know. It is nasty. So I am gonna clean it up, but I am glad that I replaced it, because I want it, you know, running good and but not damages. I want it running good. I don't want to deal with, you know, any issues, running issues and all that. And I know, you know, I could have probably rebuilt it and stuff, but I chose not to rebuild it. Just replace the new one. I'm gonna save these. These look, you know, still good. Nothing wrong here. And I will. Well, there goes all the screws. And I will put this back together, and we will get a rebuild kit for it and be good to go. Bam! Yoda. We got the fresh sticker. Put America flag up top. We got one on that side, one over here. We got one more right there. Ba-bam! Right there. Oh, wait till you check out the back. You ready for the back? Are you ready for this? Now brace yourself. Brace yourself. Ba-bam! Look at that. Yoda, baby. I was thinking about just keeping the Yoda on there, but yeah, I gotta put Toyota. Gosh, it's, you know, it's amazing what stickers do. Just little tiny stickers, like what they do to the look of something. And then also, I'm debating, you know, that propane tank right there does not go with anything. So we either got to make that like Yoda orange or gray. I'm not sure. You guys let me know. Or black. So comment down below. Propane tank, orange, gray, or black. And yes, I even got the Yoda gray and the Yoda orange. And if you don't believe me, well, come on over to my paint section over here. Ba-bam, right there. These are all these spray can sections. We got Yoda orange. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here, gray is over here, and we got Yoda gray in here also. So you know, it's this. We got the gray, we got the black over here, and then we got the whites. Then we got the random orange color, and that's it. So let me know what you guys think. But that tank does got to get painted for sure, because it's hideous looking. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you like the Rammer, hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. And don't forget to subscribe also if you even don't like the Rammer. Peace.
Yeah.